Hi, I'm Jordan with Deljo Heating and Cooling. I'm a senior service technician with them. What I'm going to be talking with you about today is a blower wheel cleaning and why it's so essential and important to your HVAC system. The cleaning for the wheel is so important because that's the component that's moving all the air around in your home. The major components that it's putting stress on is, yes, the blower motor itself, and then the heat exchanger and the evaporator coil and all ductwork associated with that system. And you're losing possibly up to 30% of airflow. First, I'm going to turn the system off and remove doors. I'm going to remove the entire wiring and circuitry of this system, and then I'm going to take that entire assembly that holds the motor and remove it from the furnace. After that's done, I'm just totally going to disassemble and remove the motor from the housing and wheel, and then yes, I have to possibly use chemicals, cleaning, water, soap, bubbles, everything needed to wash and clean this as thoroughly as possible. After that, I then have to reassemble everything and then install it back into the furnace, put the circuitry and circuit board back on, and then test run the system. Scope of time is somewhere between an hour and a half to 2.5 hours. I hope this better helps you understand the extent of blower wheel cleaning and why it's so important to your home and your HVAC equipment. If you'd like to do any repairs with us, please feel free to give us a call.